Hello, everyone. I arrive in Maldives. I can enjoy the sunshine and sea breeze, and also surf in the clear sea. Feel the charm of the sea. If you also like sports, why not try to surf? Let us meet challenges and surpass ourselves together. Enjoy the good times of life. Thank you for watching and supporting. I hope you like my channel. And enlightenment from my channel. If you have some suggestions, feel free to contact me. Finally, I want to say, life is like adventure, full of unknowns and surprises. We need courage to explore and discover. I hope we all maintain positive attitude, pursue our dreams, create a better future.